Okay, so we're going to start our parts of a sentence notes with today's notes on subjects. Before we start subjects, it's important to know that every complete sentence has a subject and a predicate. So every sentence will have a subject and a predicate. Subjects are the subject of a sentence is who or what is doing the verb or action of the sentence. The subject is the person or thing that is doing the main action in the sentence. For example, during his biology lab, Tommy danced on the table. Our subject would be Tommy because he is doing the action of dancing, doing the verb, dancing. In this example, the speeding hot rod crashed into the telephone pole. Our subject would be hot rod because it's the hot rod that is doing the action of crashing. That's what a subject does. In this one, Ron's bathroom is a disaster. Our subject would be bathroom because it's bathroom that is the subject of that linking verb is. A linking verb connects the subject of a sentence to a description. So the linking verb is connecting bathroom, the subject, to disaster, a description. Okay. What we've been talking about so far is called the simple subject. The simple subject is the key noun or pronoun that is doing the verb. It's going to be just one word. So when asked for the simple subject, you'll give just one word. Here's a couple examples. The bathroom tiles are fuzzy with mold. What's the one word subject? The one word that is doing the action of being fuzzy with mold? Tiles. The bright copper coin sparkled on the sidewalk. What's the one word that's doing the action of sparkling? Coin. Okay, so that's the simple subject. The tricky part of the simple subject is that you have to look out for prepositional phrases. The simple subject can never be inside of a prepositional phrase. That's going to be in sentences like, the rocks on the bumpy road chipped our windshield. On the bumpy road is a prepositional phrase, so the simple subject can't be in there, which means the simple subject has to be rocks. Or in this sentence, neither of these boys wants to try the pineapple pizza. Of these boys is a prepositional phrase, so none of those words can be the simple subject, which means the simple subject has to be the pronoun neither. So that is the simple subject. Now we need to talk about the complete subject. The complete subject is the simple subject plus any words or phrases that describe it. For example, curly golden hair framed the child's face. The simple subject would be hair. The complete subject would be hair plus anything that describes it. So curly golden hair would be the complete subject. Did the football team get new uniforms this year? The simple subject would be team. The complete subject would be team plus everything that describes it, which is the football team. Simple is team. Beware of sentences with inverted word order. Usually the subject comes before the verb in English sentences, but not always. So I want to show you this so you don't get tricked when the sentence is backwards. Like this sentence, in a small house adjacent to our backyard lives a family with 10 noisy children. It's the family who is doing the verb living. So family is the simple subject, even though it comes after the verb. It's not the house or the backyard that's doing the action of living, it's the family. So family is the subject, even though it's towards the end of the sentence. So now we have some example sentences. You should be highlighting the simple subject and underlining the complete subject. In this sentence, the soft glow of sunset made her happy. The simple subject is glow. You should highlight glow. The simple subject can't be sunset because of sunset is in a prepositional phrase. So you should highlight glow and you should underline the complete subject, the soft glow of sunset. In this example, around the peach trees are several buzzing bumblebees. You should highlight the simple subject bumblebees and underline the complete subject, several buzzing bumblebees. This one has inverted word order, so it's kind of tricky that it's at the end. The kids around the corner are selling lemonade. You should highlight kids and underline the kids around the corner. And lastly, all of the sophomores passed their grammar tests. You might think that you should highlight sophomores, but you can't because it's in a prepositional phrase of the sophomores. So you should actually highlight all and underline all of the sophomores. So all is the simple subject. all of the sophomores is the